ADA is really starting to do bull market things right now. Okay, this is looking like bull market ADA. Now, do I think we're in the bull market yet? No. Okay, I think we still got, we're almost there. Guys, we are this close to, I think, a bull market confirmation. And it may even happen this week. We'll obviously have to wait and see. But the overall price of ADA has been performing exceptionally well, right? Over the last 7 days, last week, ADA is the second highest appreciating crypto in the top 20 coins. Okay, the only one higher right now is Dogecoin. That's because it climbed almost 30% in the last 24 hours. Obviously, we know what went on with Twitter changing their logo there, yada, yada, yada. But ADA is really starting to stand and shine on its own here. It's starting to essentially produce its own gains. And if we look back at the charts here, we can see it's been starting to do this since earlier in March. It's been following this ascending channel, and we're starting to hit some key levels of resistance. This will really be when we can confirm whether ADA is starting to enter that bull market or not. Okay. Now, it's obviously tested this support line only once here so far. It hasn't really been looking back. There's a lot of buying support for Cardano because of the developments that are being done during this time, the growth of the ecosystem. You know, we always said there'd be a point where it's going to pay off, and that may be starting to give us a little bit of a glimpse right now of what we're going to see over the next 2 years or so here. Now, there is 2 key levels of resistance that we're banging our head on right now. You guys can even witness it on the chart. 40 cents, key resistance level. We've had some trouble with this spot before, many, many times. You can see it right around in here. The next spot, oops, I moved my line. The next spot here is this 42 cent range. Okay, you can see that is where the last pump that we had really fizzled out. Now, I would argue that this pump here looks more sustainable than this one that we witnessed to start January, right? That was basically straight up and to the right, and the pullback on that was just as severe. We obviously saw this double top form here basically in the middle of February and come back down. Now, keep in mind, ADA is affected by the broader crypto market. It's going to be affected by some of those macro factors, like, for example, the jobs report, the CPI report, PCE report. It's going to be affected by what BTC is doing. Obviously, Bitcoin right now is still sitting around that 28K level. It wants to make a move up. The shorts are not in control here, guys. The bulls are in control, all right? We're basically looking for that confirmation from this report in just a couple days to see whether we can break through 30K. That is a huge level, because if we break 30K, we hold above 30K, I'd say we are officially in a bull market. Now, this would be one of the fastest bear markets in recorded history, but we're also going through a time where adoption is really going to be accelerating. So it's kind of a weird balance. It's actually, I think, a really good time to be in crypto. It's a really good market cycle to be getting in if you guys are in for the first time. So congrats. If you held through the bear market too, congrats. It was tough. There's obviously a lot of negative externalities surrounding crypto right now, and more so has to do with people than an actual problem with crypto. So, but I thought I'd share that with you guys. ADA's getting exciting. You know, we thought it was long and boring and nothing was happening, but that time may be changing right now in front of our eyes. So, as always, this is not financial advice. We don't know what direction the charts are going to go. You guys can always do what you want, but I would always just want to keep you guys updated and informed about all things going on. So I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. Show your love below if you haven't already, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Take care.